During the 1985-86 French Division I season, Paris Saint-Germain achieved an impressive unbeaten run, but it was French striker Dominique Rocheteau who became the season's unexpected anomaly. Rocheteau, known for his scoring prowess, found himself in an unusual predicament as he endured a prolonged goal drought despite PSG's consistent victories. Analysts and fans alike were puzzled by his struggle to find the net, attributing it to both psychological pressures and tactical changes in the team. While his teammates thrived, Rocheteau's drought added an intriguing subplot to PSG's triumphant campaign. This peculiar challenge highlighted the unpredictable nature of football, where individual struggles can persist even amidst collective success.